Low manual transmission fluid creates distinct warning signs that every driver should recognize. These symptoms start subtle, but can quickly escalate to expensive transmission damage if ignored. Manual transmissions contain precision gears, synchronizers, and bearings that depend on adequate fluid for smooth operation. Grinding noises during gear changes are the most common first symptom. This harsh metal on metal sound occurs when gears and synchronizers lack adequate lubrication, especially noticeable when shifting into first gear or reverse. Difficulty shifting gears manifests as increased resistance in the gear lever. Without proper fluid, synchronizers cannot smoothly match gear speeds, making shifts feel sticky and requiring extra force. Gear slippage occurs when the transmission unexpectedly pops out of gear while driving. This dangerous condition results from worn synchronizers that cannot maintain proper gear engagement without adequate lubrication. Clutch dragging makes it difficult to fully disengage the clutch, causing grinding noises even when the clutch pedal is pressed. Low transmission fluid can affect hydraulic clutch systems or contaminate clutch components. A burning smell indicates serious overheating from insufficient lubrication. When transmission fluid levels drop too low, friction generates excessive heat, breaking down remaining fluid and creating an acrid odor that signals internal damage. Ignoring these warning signs leads to progressive damage. Operating temperatures rise, synchronizers wear prematurely, bearings develop noise, fluid leaks worsen, and in severe cases, complete transmission seizure occurs, requiring expensive rebuilds or replacement. Recognizing these symptoms early and addressing low fluid levels promptly can prevent thousands of dollars in transmission repairs and keep your manual transmission operating smoothly for years to come. Before checking your manual transmission fluid, proper preparation is essential. Start by parking your vehicle on completely level ground to ensure an accurate reading. Safety is paramount when working under a vehicle. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks to prevent any movement during the inspection process. Next, locate the fill plug on your transmission case. This is typically found on the side of the transmission housing and may require removing a protective cover or accessing from underneath the vehicle. Remove the fill plug carefully using the appropriate tool. The correct fluid level is when the transmission fluid reaches the bottom of the fill hole. If fluid doesn't appear at this level, your transmission needs additional fluid. While checking the level, also inspect the fluid quality. Fresh transmission fluid should be clear to light amber in color. Dark, burnt, or contaminated fluid indicates the need for immediate replacement. Modern diagnostic techniques include using digital inspection cameras for internal assessment and professional fluid analysis testing. These methods provide more detailed information about transmission condition. Regular maintenance is crucial for transmission longevity. Check your manual transmission fluid every 15 to 20,000 miles or annually. Replace the fluid every 30 to 60,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions and manufacturer recommendations.